In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get started, first you need to go ahead and download and install Perplexity app on your smartphone. You can do this from Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and I've downloaded the app. And from here, you can now proceed by tapping on the app to open it. If you are not logged in, you will need to go ahead and log in with your Gmail account or create a whole account using your email to get to this page. Once you're logged in, now you'll get to this Perplexity homepage where you can now start asking any question using your smartphone. Here, you can just type anything, as you can see here. Alternatively, if you go ahead and tap on plus here, you can upload images or even take a photo directly, or even upload a file and command Perplexity to do anything you wish to do with the file. However, apart from asking it a text prompt, you can also use the voice feature here. When you tap on this microphone, you are told, please allow access to your microphone, and this will grant access to your microphone if you go ahead and allow this. This is if you want to dictate anything. Now, to ask Perplexity any question, you need to go ahead and have the prompt. Then tap on ask anything and go ahead and enter your prompt. For instance, I've asked Perplexity to suggest for me 5 image concepts suitable for LinkedIn posts targeting millennials homebuyers near Dayton. Once you have entered your prompt, go ahead and tap on this generate icon here. And if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see Perplexity will go ahead and use the reasoning feature to come up with a response, and you can see here is a detailed response from this AI, and as you can see, it is very much detailed. If you wish to ask further, you can still continue on the same thread and ask it or make a follow-up here. To copy what you have just generated is pretty simple. Just go ahead and scroll down, and you should see we have an option here to copy. If you tap on this, you can see the text has been copied. You can also share this text here or your response here directly by tapping on this share icon, and this will allow you to share your response to socials. On the other hand, if you want this to be regenerated, you can just go ahead and tap on this, and this will help you rewrite your response or to regenerate your response using any of these models available. So that's how you can generate text on Perplexity. Should you want to go and start a whole new thread, just go ahead and tap on the pen icon here. And for this, it will go ahead and launch a new thread. So that's how you can start using Perplexity app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.